Welcome to the channel of Tianjin Polaris Machinery. We are a leading and professional international trader of construction machinery in China. We can provide you with high-quality new and used machines, including dozens of brands of excavators, loaders, rollers, cranes, graders, concrete pump trucks, and so on. We can provide you with export one-stop service, including land transportation, cleaning, maintenance, painting, renovation, port collection, customs declaration, shipping, and other services. Welcome to contact us. Welcome to visit our company.